Step 1. Choose your brand wisely. The first step is selecting a brand that offers a wide range of products to complete your desired makeup look. Look for a brand known for its quality and compatibility across various makeup categories. Step 2. Skin prep. Start your makeup routine with skincare. Use the brand's cleanser, toner, and moisturizer to create a smooth canvas for makeup application. This step ensures that your makeup will adhere well and last longer. Step 3. Primer. Apply the brand's primer to even out your skin texture and create a flawless base for your makeup. Make sure the primer is suitable for your skin type, whether it's hydrating, mattifying, or illuminating. Step 4. Foundation. Choose a foundation from the same brand that matches your skin tone and type. Blend it evenly across your face, neck, and décolletage using the brand's foundation brush or sponge for a seamless finish. Step 5. Concealer. Use the brand's concealer to cover blemishes, dark circles, and any imperfections. Blend it gently with a concealer brush or your fingertips for natural-looking coverage. Step 6. Eyebrows. Enhance your eyebrows using the brand's eyebrow products, such as pencils, powders, or gels. Follow your natural brow shape and use a spoolie brush to blend the product for a polished look. Step 7. Eyeshadow. Create an eye-catching eye look using the brand's eyeshadow palette. Start with a primer to make the eyeshadow colors pop, then apply and blend shades according to your desired style.